Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO F11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and here you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.